Hey guys, it's me again. This is part two to my full band for this week for fourth grade. We're going to start with 51 now, play the dynamics. We have not covered this one, so I wanted to play it with you. Sounds a little creepy. So the whole goal of this is to play dynamics. What are dynamics? How loud or soft the music is. Could be loud or soft. Okay, so we're going to be starting at piano, and then we're going to crescendo up to a forte, and then bring it back down, decrescendo, back to a piano. Okay, so let's go ahead and sing and finger this with the dynamics. There's our first note. 1, 2, here we go. D, D. Oops, sorry, I won't sing the letters. I don't want to mess you up if you're not a trumpet player. Here we go, ready? Ready, and da 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 do do. Repeat that. Da 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 da. Da, do, do. Okay, that's a pretty creepy song. Let's try it now with a metronome. Kind of loud, sorry about that. I'm gonna go slower. That's about right. A little slower. Here we go. 1, 2, playing. I like it though. So make sure you play the dynamics, play it really loud at the top of the song. Let's play it once now with the track really quickly. Here it comes. We're gonna do it with, let's try world music. Creepy. Here we go. Not too loud. Nice job. We're going to continue with number 53. This is Ara Lee. I'm kind of jumping around in this full band, but I want to try a few new challenging songs for you guys. So this is a duet or a duo in Spanish. So we're going to learn the A line and the B line quickly. I'm just going to play through them so you guys can figure them out if you like, or if you want to play them with a friend, maybe over the phone or over your Google Hangouts or something, you can do some duos with a friend. So let's just go ahead. I will play it for you. Here's the A line. Nice long no. Great. And now we will try the B line. This is the second player. So normally you would play them at the same time, but one person would play the A line and the other person would play the B line. Okay? So here it is. I will play the B line now. Here we go. This is lower. It's a long note. All right, great job, guys. So the B line, it looks easier, but really it's not easier because it's the harmony, okay? So even though it looks easier, I think it's equally as difficult as the top line. It just doesn't go as high, okay? Let's keep going. We're gonna go to 56, which is Old MacDonald Had a Band. So this one has a repeat sign here, and we're gonna go all the way back to the beginning. The notes are very easy, okay? The trombone part is a little tricky. So if you're following along and you're playing trombone, it will not sound like this. It will sound a little bit different. You can hear it in the recording, your part, okay? But maybe I will do a separate video for trombone for this song. But for everybody else, flute, saxophone, trumpet, and xylophone, it is the same, almost the same as this. It's a little bit different. Everybody has a little bit different part, so be listening to the recording. Here we go. This is just for fun. Caution, beginning. Movements. Flutes and saxes. 13. Okay, so that's a little tricky because it's for the full band, and this is the first song where people have different parts. We don't all have the same part. So if you're a little confused, it's understandable. Okay, we will maybe create another version of Old MacDonald where we all have the same part and we could do it maybe for a little online performance. We'll see how we do with that, okay? Next, I want to show you number 57, Ode to Joy. Again, this one, we might not all have the same part again, so it's a little confusing. This is definitely the trumpet part, and I think the flutes have a similar part, but other people may have different notes, so don't get confused, don't get frustrated. Definitely follow along if you're a trumpet, but if your part's slightly different, that's okay. It's supposed to be that way, okay? So let's just have a try at this one. I know you know this song, it's very familiar. Okay, so I know you guys have heard that song Ode to Joy, or I think it's Himno de Alegría in Spanish. So we will look at this again another time too, and I will make sure we have parts that are probably all the same for the band, so it's not so confusing, okay? That would be another nice choice to play for our end of the year online performance, okay? All right, and then our last one of the day I want to share with you is Hard Rock Blues. This is in the tutorials in your assignment, but I just wanted to play it all together as a full band because it's super fun and rockin' awesome. So I will just go right ahead and play it, but if you need help learning how to play it, this is in another tutorial in your assignment. Here goes. Ready, guys? Ready, position. Check your back, your posture. Sitting tall, booty forward, feet on the floor. Take out your water, brass. Awesome, guys. That was really fun. Okay, so this last full band was a little bit more rushed. Okay, we didn't sing in finger. We didn't go super slow on all the songs. So if you need any extra help, let us know. Myself, David, Santi, Jenny, Ben, we're all here to help you. Okay, if you need, and Danielle, if you need any help, let us know. Send us an email personally if you want extra help. You can sign up on our discussion boards. I'm going to be posting that this week in Schoology. If you want some extra help, you can post there too. But we are there to help, okay? So let us know. Hope you enjoyed this full band. I miss you guys a lot. I hope everybody's fine at home. You're safe and you're healthy, doing great. Make sure you're playing your instrument a little bit every day. If we don't play every day, then our muscles are going to start to lose our strength we built from all those months in band, okay? So again, guys, don't wait until just the day, like Friday, to do your homework and do full band and do everything all at once. You're going to get stressed out. We don't want you stressed out. Okay, guys? So breathe. Play your instrument a little bit every day. Be watching Schoology. Make sure you check my update, my weekly announcements up there in this folder. And good luck with this week's assignment, Hard Rock Blues. Have a great weekend. Bye, guys.